Chuwang ina legishe Ivanoping, Ning Ditlu, Nana Broholi Otram Kungathe, Arema Manga Samara Gachiteda, Otram Kungatili Marekta Sajinglu. 1 Corinthians Kapikasang Trada Panga, Duza Hang Pangada Jishat. Remake up the Ajiwikam Daya Bauping. Recruitment Kasali Thirda Jithekami, La Mashung the Sakavai Manipur Naka Youth Organization, Authority Lake Ngakau. Manipur Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival Mayon Haira. Chief Minister na Koka Kasa Kasat Haira. Lekhayang ator, Ajita Tangkhul Express Wipao, Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Pamidale, Bauping may sign an Rumsa. Department Ngadatay Recruitment Kasa, La Promotion Kamili Transparency, La Fairness, Le Kavai Manipur Naga Youth Organization, MNYO na Authority Ling Ngakau. Tribal communities wivang 33% allocations kami zangda reservation quotas high kami 100 points roster system check jinda sure kavai MNYO na bohaira. Tamkhui kahai khanui thot pingwi employment wivang sarkar na recruitment li yang sang kami organization jina acknowledge sai. Ka recruitment practice li makhangi khale establish guidelines makusur la maning kachang ina contractual casual maning aka outsourced appointment kami hikatha we ning ka khrik leya takachi organization jina phongshoka. MNYO na proxy recruitment li mamayamana kachi hangda state in a central department ni otpam kahang educational institutions Manipur University, National Institute of Technology kala Regional Institute of Medical Science hikatha hi zangda vacancy unofficial journals in a chipui kapai leya kachi organization jina ning ka khuri khangsanga. Vacancy ping juwang shokran advertisement mashokla employment exchange norms shuran magashur le hawa gachi hanga. Hikatha otsakin na mashun makasa la tribal communities alongli road kamarat lenga sak paya gachi organization jina hangsanga. Recruitment's outcome ngahe khui kawai authorities na thai laga vacant post ngawau kami adam jangmi da le gachi organization jina phen haira. Kalachina tribal in a backward class candidates pingli sajang asak the leg chila hangsanga. Established norms mashurla zadak le recruitments process ping ngasam ngasakava MNYO na state kala central sarkarli pohaira. Kala makacha makhangi khalaichi makup makailagay na review sakavai demand sahira. Maram himayang sang miyaka mashun makhuye na sang sakavai kasak democratic agitation sara kachi MNYO na hangmatin haira. Kamjong District Jadong Kali Manipur Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival Mayon Pokaira. Panichi Manipur Unity by Diversity Gajitui Gwili Azingli, Zimik Shokani Tangwivang Aya in Achi Indigenous Peoples Forum, Manipur na Tourism Department Ningashikta Makokamina. Panichi Madailaki na Manipur Indigenous Communities Pingwi, Shangla Kahai Ngashan Heritage Celebrate Kasana. Manipur Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival Chili Chief Minister N. Piren Singh Labazangta State we mipok pingwi alongli kokha kasa tarkar kasa maramli kasathaira. CM Piren nagahang Manipur hi Indigenous mipingwina. Kala itumwe awo ayi marana ngalay hi singkum tingkani langda ngakrami kahaina kaji CM nahanga. State with historical apam research kala preserve kasali rinda sarkar na phekar kakhui go to hills mission la Sanapati district li Makyal Heritage Park Lubakro thruk ina develop kasa hikatha hi samiya gachi CM na hangsanga. Jadongli Kamyon Manipur Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Panichi Cultural Exchange kala awareness wivang mataila kahai platforms ngasaya da Chief Minister na maya kangai phongshoka. Hangaka narratives li ngasung kawai harina population kala demographic records pa yung luda CM na kasathaira. Kala state with indigenous identity nga kawai koka kasa kasatsanga. CMN parenting na state with war on drugs campaign maram nila hangsanga. Manipur Police, Assam Rifles kala civil society bingwe katom kamizang da state li popului egers shaka kada sashiman mi haira gachi hanga. Tam kasemni chikat mi kahai wivang the Chief Minister na Jadong Village li masot miya. Panichili cultural performances drives ngadatay da we payjak la sajithaya. Panitwi akaya kasada experience in the monuments of ages lanmia, kala local pangtem, la cultural water kachiche stalls ping na CM na bayang mia. Panichili Work Minister Govindas Kontochom, CAF and PD Minister Leishangtem Susindro Meite, Animal Husbandry Minister Kashimbashum, kala officials la community katana ping watsanga. Manipur Sarkar na state koka kasala haksang resang kawai wibang ning horsang jaw da legachi and experiencing na hangsanga. Ukrul block we MG NRG MC Fund Takla Mishok Kawai Kala Administrator Sada Ot Ngarut Yang Karawi Wang Ukrul block STO BDO we Dungli Action Quick Kawai Pohaira. Maram hi Wang Ukrul District MG NRG Welfare Association Info and Publicity Secretary na Ukrul District Deputy Commissioner Li Chiti Misangda Chiwikopi Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Ina RD and PR Muhut Minister Y. Kemchen Singh Li Mivaya. MG NRG Welfare Committee we matunina kawa chithi chili kahang Ukrul District we MG NRG MC Fund allocation chi state sarkar na sanction sada block cycle la kung bing we release sa gahaina ka Ukrul block we mang release masami tuwachi chithi ji ajahon tarik trada khani thamida fund ji pung magada madi we lungli misho khawai STO BDO Ukrul li jize khami pohaira Jane ang soda STO BDO na office matada magaka maramlila yang sang kami pohaira. MG NRG handle kasa la fund shijin kangwiwi maramli competent authority na takta yang sang kami pohaira. Ukrul block hi Ukrul district we headquarters block sada mabung pada saka shapa administrator STO terkar saya gaji chithi chili kapisanga. Hangka hai maramping hi yang sang miyaka kan kana action kui haura gaji hang machin haira. Maipung production we annual red carpet ling soda production shim jiwi kachisha the movie machine wo ayaya really kare sada Ukrul town hall li jithei mi haira machine wo ji Tangkhul li mingaula ka high writer director makan mi ramro kala director sima awungshi anina direct kasa film na ang ye chili MLA Rammuiwa we akato Martin Muiwa na Ramui representative sada kala tafma we president YL Ravins anina special guest sada wazanga Ravins kala Martin Muiwa na movie chikatha khui ko shok wibang maya khangai phongshoka Tangkhul movie release kasali mi jung mai thui da khara machine wo na history sem haira da maipung production CEO aning riwa na hang kala release sadang collection Ukrul we ina lakmati ring kasaji target kashunga da aning riwa na hang sanga romance genre kapi kasa makan mi ramror wibang action thriller script ka kapi machine wo film ina khare nga sayachi Ari lami wibang movie script khani kapi mi haitele kala mahayaka zinguma shokhau la paya da machine wo with writer director makanmi ramror na hangsanga Ogothui with chess thotrinchan ni khare sada Indian grandmaster Gukesh Tomaraju na ngunui mai thui gachi champion nga sahaira Ajahon tak Singapore li rungkami World Chess Championship match li reigning champion Ding Liren na Gukesh na game trada khamati li yui gakhui sampanga Gukesh Tomaraju hi zingum 18 now Andhra Pradesh wimina. Classical Chess World Championship title sam kapang hi India winga jaili Vish Wanatan Anant Witili Gukesh na kakhane nga sai. 1985 kum Russia legend Garry Kasparov na zingum 22 wi ngunui mai thui gachi World Chess Champion khangasa record legasa chi makanda Gukesh na ngunui mai thui gachi champion mingpo ji khui haira. Kala classical chess thotrinchan ni Gukesh na tharada gachisha da world champion nga saya. Rakra 2025 kumwi wildlife photography competition li shirukhui kawai Manipur sarkar na nga thotaira. Wild mammals of Manipur in their natural habitat kajitukwili Banda Forest Department Government of Manipur na state level wildlife photography competition makok mi haira. Ngahan Juwivang application forms kala rules and regulation Government of Manipur Chief Wildlife Warden with Office Sanjin Tongli Kuipaira Office Maningaka website forest.manipur.forest.government.in lila yang Kuipaira Photography ngahan Jili Gazang entries chi concerned divisional forest officers li misanglu la maningaka email egwildlife.manipur@gmail.com li mivalu Ji maningaka Manipur Sarkar PCCF Wildlife Cum Chief Wildlife Warden with Office li misanglu Photography ngahan Juwi submission 2025 Mag June tarik 30 ngazin pung pangam makarang lakha misang paira ngahan Juwi best photographs li luba saman mira Citations in ang soda cash prize chi Singkuma Department Juwi state level function ni mira Chanpao hi Manipur with Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden with Office in Amika Shokna. Ladluida Ajiwi Kamtaya Bauping. Recruitment kasali third jithei kami la mashung da sakawai Manipur naka youth organization na authority li nga kaw haira. Manipur Indigenous Peoples Cultural Exchange Festival mayon haira. Chief Minister na Kokha kasa kasathaira. Aju ibao hiling achang haira, pao na da klay na thum sai korali ringapha kala kham hai simik shong sa seran.